Hello, good morning. Good morning, my little students. How are you? Hello, boys. Hello, girls. Are you ready for another English lesson? Let's get started. Today, we're going to learn some new vocabulary words. Are you ready? Remember that you need to repeat with me. Here we go. The first one is a river. A river. Say with me. River. Very good. A river is a large stream of fresh water. We can find rivers in high hills or mountains. River. I see a big blue river. River. Let's continue with the sea. 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 In the sea, we can find a lot of wonderful animals. Do you want to see some sea animals with me? Whoop! Here we go. Wow, look at this. This is a sea. We can find a lot of wonderful animals here, like a turtle, a fish, and dolphins. Wow! This sea is really amazing. Remember that we need to take care of the sea and the animals that live here. A sea is the expanse of salty water that covers the most of the Earth's surface. It's amazing, right? I love the sea. Bye-bye, dolphin. Bye-bye, fish. Bye-bye, wonderful sea. Now let's continue with lake. Lake. This is a lake. A lake is a big pound of water. Look, I see water everywhere. Lake, lake. This is a lake. Lake. Very good, well done. Now look, this is a forest. Forest. Say with me, forest. Forest. Nice job. This is a forest. A forest is a large area covered with trees. Look, there are many trees here in this forest, and different animals can live here. Squirrel. Look, this is a squirrel. This squirrel can live in the forest. Squirrel. Say with me, squirrel. Very good, nice job. This squirrel is eating nuts. Yummy, yummy. Squirrel. Very good. Perfect. Wow. Look at this. This is an owl. Owl. Wow, look, this owl has two big yellow eyes. Wow, it's really amazing. Owl. Say with me, owl. Very good. Perfect. Wow, look at this. This is a cute fox. Say with me, fox. I see a fox. What color is this fox? Orange, brown, or gold? Very good, well done. Fox. I see a fox. I see a small fox. And finally, we have a goat. Goat. This is a goat. Goat. What color is this goat? Yes, it's color white. I see a white goat. Bah. Goat. This goat is eating green grass. Goat. Goat. Very good. Perfect. Very good, guys. You're awesome. Thanks for watching. See you soon.